The future of thinking, teamwork, and the human edge. AI is everywhere. It writes essays, analyzes medical scans, paints pictures, and even passes exams. It's easy to look around and wonder, is AI replacing human intelligence? Or is there more to the story? The truth is more nuanced and more exciting. This isn't a battle of brains where one side wins. This is the story of how we're learning to think differently, together. AI versus human intelligence, who really wins? Let's break it down. Where AI dominates, speed and scale, AI can analyze massive amounts of data in milliseconds, faster than any human can blink. Pattern recognition, it finds hidden trends in complex data, stock markets, genome sequences, supply chains. Precision, zero typos, zero fatigue. AI doesn't forget, take breaks, or get emotional under pressure. Consistency, machines don't lose focus. They don't wake up grumpy. That makes them ideal for repetitive, high-stakes tasks. Where humans still reign supreme, creativity and imagination, AI can remix existing ideas. But humans invent new genres, new philosophies, new worlds. Emotional intelligence, sensing unspoken emotions, offering comfort, reading the room, these are deeply human skills AI still can't master. Adaptability and common sense, you can learn from a single messy failure. AI needs thousands of clean examples. Social connection and empathy, you trust people, not machines. Real collaboration, love, forgiveness, these can't be coded. What is intelligence, really? Before we go further, let's define the playing field. Human intelligence is more than logic. It's emotion, creativity, moral judgment, social awareness, and conscious thought. It's being aware of being aware. Artificial intelligence is fast, narrow, and task-specific. It excels at what it's trained for but lacks understanding, consciousness, and true intention. So, can AI mimic intelligence? Absolutely. Can it be intelligent the way we are? Not yet, and maybe not ever. The brain's secret weapon, neuroplasticity, here's something AI doesn't have: a living, rewiring, learning brain. Neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to change its structure and function based on experience. Every time you learn, struggle, adapt, or imagine, your brain reshapes itself, strengthening some pathways, pruning others, forming entirely new ones. It's what helps patients relearn how to speak. Taxi drivers grow larger navigation centers in the brain. You pick up a new language or overcome trauma. Machines can be reprogrammed. But only humans can grow through adversity, fueled by emotions, purpose, and connection. Could AI ever become truly human? This is where things get interesting and philosophical. Some experts believe that with enough complexity, AI could one day develop something like consciousness. But others argue that human intelligence is biologically rooted and spiritually unique. AI simulates understanding. It doesn't experience life. It has no inner world, no hopes, no heartbreaks. If it acts conscious, is that enough? Or is it just a brilliant imitation? The real future. Teamwork greater than takeover, forget fear. The smartest path forward isn't replacement, it's augmentation. Think, doctors plus AI faster, more accurate diagnoses, artists plus AI bolder, boundary-breaking creations, educators plus AI personalized learning for every student. This is augmented intelligence, where AI handles the heavy lifting and humans focus on insight, empathy, and meaning. Hot take: AI won't steal your humanity. It'll redefine what smart work looks like. Adapt, or get left behind. The ethical checkpoint: as we charge ahead, we need to ask hard questions. Who controls the data? Is AI amplifying bias? What jobs are being automated, and what safety nets exist? How do we preserve human dignity in an algorithm-driven world? Just because AI can do something doesn't mean it should. Ethics and empathy must shape how we build and use these tools. A new kind of intelligence that isn't a zero-sum game. It's a collaboration. AI brings superhuman processing power. Humans bring judgment, vision, and soul. Together, we can solve the world's hardest problems: climate change, cancer, space travel, not because AI replaces us, but because it enhances us. Final thought: what can AI never do? AI can calculate. It can mimic. It can predict. But it can't wonder. It can't fall in love. It can't write a lullaby from a broken heart. It can't dream a dream that's never been imagined before. That's still our domain. And it always will be. What do you think? Will AI ever be truly creative? What's one thing you think AI can never replicate? Who wins? AI efficiency or human ingenuity? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's debate. Let's imagine. Let's build the future together. Like this article? Share it with someone curious about the future. Subscribe for more bold ideas on tech, mindset, and human potential.